Welcome to TechNet TV. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rotas Kumar, working as an associate professor in Department Management in TechNet Institute of Advanced Study. In this lecture, we will discuss about the concept of production system having various types of systems. There are many types of production system. First one is flow or continuous system. According to Professor, continuous flow production situations are those where the facilities are standardized as the routings and flow scenes inputs are standardized. Therefore, a standard set of process and sequence of process can be adopted. So, continuous or flow production refers to the manufacturing of large quantities of a single or at the most a very few varieties of the products with a standard set of process and sequence. The mass production is carried on continuously for the stock in anticipation of demand. Continuous production is also many various types. First one is mass production. Mass production refers to the manufacturing of standardized parts or components on a large scale. Mass production system offers economies of scale as the volume of output is very large. Quality of products tends to uniform and high due to the standardization and mechanism. In a properly designed and equipped process, individual expertise plays a less prominent role. Second type of production system is process production, which is the part of continuous production system. Production is carried on continuously through a uniform and standardized sequence of operation. Highly sophisticated and automatic machines are used. Process production is employed in bulk processing of certain materials. The typical processing industries are fertilizers, plants, petrochemicals, and milk dairies, which have been highly automated system. They are not labor intensive and the worker is just an operator to monitor the system and take corrective steps if required for. Next, third type of continuous production system is assembly lines. Assembly line is a type of flow of production which is developed in automobile industry in USA. A manufacturing unit refers to develop and employ assembling line because it helps to improve the efficiency of the production. In an assembly line, each machine must directly receive material from the previous machine and pass it directly to the next machine. Machines and equipment should be arranged in such a manner that every operator has a free and safe access to each machine. Space should be provided for free movement of forklifts, trucks, etc., which deliver materials and collect finished products. Next is second type of production system is intermittent production system. According to Professor, intermittent situations are those where the facilities must be flexible enough to handle a variety of products and size or where the basic nature of activity imposes change of important characteristics of input. For example, change in the product design. In such kind of activities, no single sequence pattern of operation is appropriate. So, the relative location of the operation must be a compromise that is a best for all inputs considered together. There are also two types of intermittent production system. First one is job production. Job or unit production involves the manufacturing of single complete unit with the use of group of operators and process as per the customer's order. This is also known as a special order, which is a type of a production. Each job or product is different from the other and no repetition is involved in this process. The product is usually costly and non-standardized. Customer don't make the demand for exactly the same product on a continuing basis, and therefore production becomes intermittent. Each product is a class by itself and constitute a separate job for the production process. Shipbuilding, electric power plant, dam construction, etc. are common example of job production. Next, second type of intermittent production system is batch production. It has been defined as the manufacturer of a product in small or large batches or lots at intervals by a series of operations, each operation being carried out on the whole batch before any subsequent operation is performed. The batch production is a mixture of mass production and job production. Under it, machine turn out different products at intervals, so each product being produced for comparatively short time using mass production methods. So we have to discuss about the various types of production system, which has been defined by Bofasher and Spearmancer. So which has been conclusion at the point of there are majorly two types of production system which plays an important role for the growth of an production of the organization. More videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.